Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we will cover basic arithmetic expressions. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here, click on bell icon so that you will notify as soon as we upload any video. So we have a table by the name of employee and a column by the name of salary. Inside that table we are going to apply some arithmetic expressions by that salary column inside employee table. For example, the first query which we are going to write is select department ID and salary from employees table. So here we got the department ID and the salary. So if you want to add some amount to that salary, how we can do that? Select, we need to write the query again and add some amount to that salary. For example, if you want to add 1000 to the salary, here we got the salary and the salary plus the added amount. So here the salary is 2600. If we add 100 to that amount, it becomes 2700. So here we have the salary is 4400. If we add 100 to it, so it becomes 4500. So what happens if we use 2 or 3 from those arithmetic expressions? So here comes the topic of precedence. Division and multiplication has the higher priority, while the addition and subtraction has lesser priority. So if we have a query like this, salary into 12 plus 100, what will be the result of this query? As we said earlier, multiplication and division has higher priority, so this part will be evaluated first and this the remaining amount will be added to that. As you can see here in the result, 2600, if we multiply that by 12, it becomes 31200. If we add 100 to it, it becomes 31300. So in the same way, so we can see the same result in subtraction also. First the multiplication will happen and then the subtraction. So as we have seen earlier, the result of salary into 12 will become 31200. So if we subtract 100 from it, it becomes 31100. So what if we want to prioritize the lower precedence? So we can use parentheses. Using parentheses, increase the priority of the operator. So here 12 minus 100 will evaluate it first and then it will be multiplied to salary. So if we run this query, so here we can see the difference in the result. If we minus this part, it becomes some minus 88, and we multiply that to this amount, it becomes some minus 2,28,800. For example, if we have 120 here and then minus 100, and if we run this query, what will be the result? So here we can see the result. First of all, this part will be evaluated. 120 minus 100 becomes 20, and again if you multiply that 20 to 2600, it becomes 52,000. So here we reach to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.